Hi guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
It's day 2.
Day 2
We are
in Vermont.
a bit more alive now.
Yep.
We don't know what we're gonna do yet. We're gonna give you a tour of the house,
The
inside
noise you hear
and
in the
outside.
background is a nice, beautiful river.
Yeah, there's like a little swimming holes around.
It's like the Poconos, but I feel like the most prettier and closer.
Yes. So we're gonna show you around the house, show you around the property, and we'll see from there. There's a bunch of stuff to do here. We just haven't gotten to it, obviously because of the car. I called up the mechanic at 8:30. He said he'll call us back when he lifts it up. And so yeah, depending on what he does, we'll figure out what we're gonna do on the way back. Yep. So as of now, we will be stranded.
My dad is leaving today, so
yeah. So as of now, we are stranded in Vermont. Okay.
Welcome to our new life in Vermont.
Well, here's our front door, guys. Let me just. Yeah. Okay. So here's what we got. 2 pathways, one over there.
That's the kitchen.
And this is the living room. And this is a second entrance.
But that one is locked.
As well as staircase to 2nd floor. But it is locked. And they said not to go in here because I guess the alarm is right there. So yeah. So I'm assuming this place is very old because there is a sign outside of this door on my left, the one that we're not supposed to enter, that says that this building was made in like the 1861.
We'll show you a little surprise.
So we're gonna show you exactly how we know it's from 1861.
Exhibit A.
Exhibit A.
The fireplace.
Well, I don't know what this is. It's a furnace. First time I see one of these. Some of these windows don't open. There is no AC, only heat. Only heat and fans. So there you have it, folks. So
here's where I cook my chips.
And my
cereal. And all the lovely dishes.
So
and my beautiful, beautiful view of the river.
yes, we'll give you a nice tour of the outside soon. It's so nice. But yeah, this is the kitchen.
Look how old this is.
I don't even know what this is. I really don't. There's a cast iron skillet in there. It's so heavy and I really don't know what that is. If anybody could let me know what this is, that would be great. And here is the dining hall, a dining room center.
With more view of the river.
With a nice view of the river. And so yeah, dining room, more windows. A bunch of gaming boards. These are all gaming boards. And some fancy wine cups. Or just what are they? They're called, yeah. They must be from the 1800s. And now we're gonna go into the. Okay. This is the barn, which was a barn.
And JP almost died.
Where this was a barn and they converted it into like a bar slash gaming thing. So you got a TV here, you got your bar table. They gave us some nice charcoal. And there's a lovely pool table that we have yet to open. But we're gonna probably play tonight. But it is lovely, full-sized. And now this barn door opens.
What is locked from the outside?
But it's locked from the outside, so we'd have to open it from the outside. Then there's this hammock.
This is where Annabelle stays when it's in the middle of the night. I would go on it, but I feel like I would work this.
Haha, very funny. And we have a nice propane grill. Some darts.
Soccer balls.
All of this. And a soccer ball. They gave us some nice, baby chair, some soccer balls. Yep, so that's the first floor, guys.
There's 2 entrances upstairs.
There's 2 staircases, and we choose to use this one as the main one. There is a fan up here.
Y'all ready for exhibit B of this house being moved?
And here's the bathroom that we have to use.
Mind you, there's no door.
So yeah. Also, we're not showering, so.
And we add water. Let's go.
Yep. Yep, here's our toilet.
Lovely.
We're not showering, so who needs a shower?
Yeah, we're gonna be stinky.
Just kidding. Ha 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 ha. This is actually the first indoor bathroom in Cavendish. Alright, now we're gonna go head on to the rooms. Room number 1. With a nice diamond window. Pretty nice. It's okay, fans in every room, guys. No AC. My room. Woo.
Ooh. That bed is so high up.
Yes, this bed is super high. Room 3. A nice, beautiful room.
So nice.
Also with a fan. Bathroom. A nice.
Look at it compared to the first ever bathroom.
This is our real bathroom, okay, guys? We are showering. We are using soap, and we are using potable water. This is the last room.
Oh, I forgot to show you guys a second.
Bathroom.
No, living room.
And yep, that's basically it. We have a nice storage area, I guess. In here, there's a bunch of glasses. So you already know. Haha. Ha 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 ha. You know, to forget about the pain that we don't have a car. And we're kind of stranded here right now. Here's the bathroom on the first floor. Like I said, we are showering. And we are using clean water. Yeah. And then this is the second living room. This is a sofa bed.
This one has a bigger.
This one has a bigger fan. Okay. And there you have the indoor house.
We have a basement.
Yeah, but who cares about the basement? It's just old and ugly. It is old and ugly, and there looks like a ghost. It looks like there would be a ghost in there.
Annabelle Part 2 is on there.
So we're just not even gonna bother. But it is cold, alright? You know it's old when some of these don't even have like the netting for the flies and stuff. The netting is already included in some of them, but these windows are from like what, the 1800s? You have to push them up. You have to push them up, and you have to put a stick on it, or they will fall. Some of them have it. Others, like the ones upstairs, did not have it. They had portable ones, and so we had to like lift the window up and like immediately put it in last night with all the flies and everything. So yeah.
Okay guys, my turn to record.
Yep.
So, this house is from 1821 to be exact. You know, just a couple 100 years old. So pretty outside. That's my man. He doesn't come with the house, sorry girls. And then we have this beautiful, beautiful view.
Like no other. I think it sounds good.
It's so nice. And this goes all the way down. And there's like a calmer area instead of having that stream. Oh yeah.
Hey babe, you wanna go for a spin?
Maybe next time. Thanks for the offer.
So here's our little fireplace.
Oh, this is so cute.
We can also do some chairs out.
We can have s'mores.
Yep. And the steps are to the lake / right here.
Where?
Here?
Oh.
Right there. We can also go even further down, but I don't know what's over there.
He gave us a tour. Guys, I feel like I'm gonna die. One job.
Well guys, we're out of the river. Now I guess we've been taking a couple pictures, and now we're just gonna figure out our dinner, get some rice cooking, and then we're gonna play some games. Woo.
Exciting.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Eso. Eso, okay. Daddy. Ay, ay.
Okay.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ay.
Okay.
Eso. Ay.
It's like thundering really bad.
90% rain.
Yeah, it's gonna rain.
It's like completely dark outside, like literally.
So thankfully we did like everything in the morning time. We were gonna do a fire, but we're like, nah, let's just go inside and play.
We're gonna do a camping.
Yeah, we'll keep you guys posted. We're looking at Jean Paul Perez right now. It's no longer PJ or JP.
It's the end of day 2.
Yep.
We're going to bed early, and by early I mean 12:30.
It is early though.
It is early because
For us, it's early.
Yeah, but we go to bed at like 3, so
Yeah, today was a fun day.
Today was a very eventful day. We went to the river and then we played some games, a lot of games.
Oh.
Tomorrow, I don't know what we're gonna do.
Hectic stuff.
We're gonna figure out the whole car thing because the guy told us that he hasn't figured it
call
out
him,
yet.
like,
He's gonna call me at 8:39, 8:30 to 9 a.m. and we'll see from there. So yeah, tomorrow's a hectic day, but we moved.
Always keep moving. I am burnt.
She's a shrimp now.
Just a little bit more.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
See
Is
you.
this all we're doing day by day, or?
I have no clue.
Okay, so maybe like, comment, share, subscribe. If not, see you guys tomorrow.